What's up, you guys? Welcome back. And I got my unicorn pajamas. Today was today was pajama day at our school, and then I'm gonna do another room tour because I upgraded my room, but I'm still cleaning it. But yeah, I got some slime from Jocelyn McGarvey. Shout out to you. It's really good. So guys, whenever your slime is not stretchy, there's a hack. I already did this, Jocelyn, so yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So put some hand sanitizer. Or you can put lotion. Lotion makes it sticky. And so does hand sanitizer. But I like hand sanitizer more because it's just a waste to use lotion. Especially from Bath and Body Works. My car got towed for driving with no insurance, and now I need $500 to get my car back. What? Why did you call Freeway Insurance? They have rates as low as $15 a month. No, what is it? I feel like it's Bath and Body Works, or it's Victoria's Secret. But yeah, if you just stole it from your mom, I wouldn't do that if I were you. So you need to ask them before you use it. But if it's yours, then go ahead. Make sure it's not Victoria's Secret, or unless you want to waste your money, it's okay. So, well, I'm on my backup desk. I upgraded this desk to my studio. I'm just using my backup because there's some stuff because they're putting on some curtains. Dude, it's so good. Shout out to Jocelyn Laganya. This is the best one ever. Oh, you guys can't see it that good now. I guess I'll have to do it like that, but yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding hand sanitizer, and even if it doesn't get stretchy anymore, you can just add it. Or if you're bored of your same old slime, you can just add food coloring, and then they're putting on my curtains. It's dark. And then you can add food dye and hand sanitizer, but it'll turn stringy. But it's okay, just keep kneading it. Alright, there's light. Oh, okay. It's like, what's it called? The solar eclipse. I might add more beads if I can find any. Join our real estate investing team. You'll learn our simple 3-step system for flipping homes right here in the local area. This is Dan Merrill, star of 80s hit TV show Flip This House. Solar Eclipse. Looking for a handful of people in the Stockton and Modesto area who want to learn how to make money flipping houses in your spare time using other people's money. Stockton and Modesto are perfect markets for my system. And this week, I'm holding a free 2-hour educational workshop where you will learn how to make money flipping homes and how to build long-term. Alright, so look, they got really sticky, but it works. So, and comment down below if you know anything to stop the stickiness, because I think you can use cornstarch. I don't know, but because cornstarch thickens it. And you guys, I have a vlog channel. It's called Natalie's Unicorn Vlogs. And then I have a tour of your channel. I haven't posted anything, but it's not out yet, so you guys can't see it yet because it's not out. But I already have the account and everything set. So as soon as I do a video, you guys can see it. So, yeah?
I made it.
Oh, my sister's here.
I'm
What?
gonna tape it, okay?
What is it?
It's a little this.
Oh, thanks. She made me a telescope. Alright, so it's not that bad no more. But yeah, I'm gonna add more beads. Oh my god. And you guys, Jocelyn, she doesn't lie. She gave me my slime. I'm not sure, Jocelyn, if you're selling slime, but if you are, I'll just tell my channel. I got a mess on my bed. That's where all the curtains and blankets are. I need to do it. And if you are, then
I'm pushing it.
oh,
I pushed it.
oh man, they're here.
Here's telescope.
Thanks, solar eclipse. There's my
That's
sister.
how I measure.
Alright, so yeah. So if you are selling slime, well,
Give me some. Ooh, the pretty princess.
last time you were selling it for $1. I'm not sure no more, but she goes to Harmony. You know,
Yeah. Ano kayo din?
if you guys like go to Harmony, you guys know,
Oh, it's over here.
and you guys can buy some from her if she is. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, and what was I gonna say? That. Oh yeah, that I have a vlog
The
channel.
room's under construction.
Yep, it's under construction. That's why they're seeing the solar eclipse.
There's a solar eclipse.
No, like Daddy, he was blocking the light right now.
Farted.
JJ, my sister farted.
I didn't
Yeah,
like
she did.
that.
So
Farted.
yeah, but
But of course, my dad farted outside.
alright, so bye and go check out my vlog channel.
And my vlog channel, even though there's nothing on it.
And make sure to subscribe, and I'll do a room tour after I get all my room clean, which is gonna be less than an hour. Make sure to subscribe, like, and give us some video ideas. And bye.
Bye.